All right, so you want to reduce volume in your hair. You want to make your hair flatter because I know it sounds crazy, but your hair is too thick and it poofs out too much. So you want to actually make it lay closer to your head so it's not so full, not so fluffy, and not so big, all right? So the best thing you want to do, and it all comes down to the blow drying process. What you want to do is you want to make sure that when you're blow drying your hair, and this is the blow dryer that I sell on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. Use code YouTube20 for 20% off, and I sell the anti-static vent brush as well. What you need to do when you're blow drying your hair, and trust me, it's very important, you want to make sure that you are doing everything you possibly can to reduce the volume in your hair. And imagine if you're ironing a shirt, you're laying it flat, right? You're going over and over and over with the iron to make sure it's going to be wrinkle free and lay as flat as possible. It's the same thing with the hair. So what you're going to do when you are blow drying is you want to make sure that you are using a technique where you are keeping the brush like so and the nozzle, you have to use the nozzle together, and you're making it as flat as possible to your head like this, okay? And just by doing this, it's going to reduce the volume. Check it out. So here I am. You can even keep the air pointed downwards like this and just keep going over with the brush like so. As you can see, I'm just lightly blow drying the outer layer of the hair, and I'm brushing in a downwards motion. I'm not once going against the grain, and I'm not once blow drying it forward or anything crazy, but look how nice and smooth this is compared to how this side is so full of volume. Let's get a little bit closer. As you can see, much flatter, much more close to the head like this, and trust me, it's what you need to do. The minute you start running your fingers through it, the minute you start trying to fluff it up, guess what? The volume's gonna come right back just like this. If you want to keep the hair flat to your head and reduce the volume, you have to almost iron it back with the blow dryer, with the brush, and blow dry it as flat as possible. See how I'm holding the blow dryer like this? You don't want to ever blow dry upwards this way because the air is going to blow the hair up, creating volume. You actually want to do the opposite, where you're almost like you're flattening the hair like this with the back of the blow dryer, and just have the air funnel downwards and flow downwards this way. And I'm telling you, it's going to really help a lot of you who are looking to reduce the volume in your hair. Let me know if you try this. Don't forget, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.